news in detail. The nation is celebrating the 75th Republic Day today. President Draupadi Murmu led the nation in celebrating Republic Day from Kartavya Path in New Delhi this morning. French President Emmanuel Macron was the chief guest at the parade, which showcased India's rich cultural diversity, unity and progress, its military prowess and growing Nari Shakti. The ceremony began with the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the National War Memorial, where he led the nation in paying solemn tributes to the fallen heroes by laying a wreath. Thereafter, the Prime Minister and other dignitaries headed to the saluting dais at Kartavya Path to witness the parade based on the twin themes of Viksit Bharat and Bharat Loktantra Ki Mantruka. This year's parade witnessed the participation of around 13,000 special guests. During